Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure phone and laptop are updated and that you have the right cable or same Wi-Fi network. This avoids handshake failures. Once done, choose wired for stability or wireless for mobility. Next, install the phone camera app on the phone and the companion client or virtual camera driver on the laptop. Make sure to grant camera, microphone, and network permissions on the phone. This early setup prevents permission blocks and reduces setup time later. Now you execute the connection. For USB, enable USB debugging on Android or Tap Trust on iPhone, then plug the cable in. For wireless, connect both devices to the same network, open the app, and pair via QR or displayed IP. This establishes the stream. Once paired, configure resolution and frame rate in the app and laptop client to balance quality and CPU load. Also choose front versus rear camera and enable stabilization if available. These settings improve video clarity and latency. Finish by selecting the phone as the video input in your conferencing or streaming app. Look for the virtual camera or device name. Then run a quick test. Check audio sync, observe latency, and adjust resolution if necessary. If lag or dropouts happen, switch to USB for lower latency, reduce bitrate, or close background apps consuming bandwidth. If it still fails, restart both devices, reconnect the cable, or rejoin Wi-Fi, and verify camera and network permissions. This single troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.